Hi everyone, today we're going to be making some sourdough French toast topped with store-bought apple butter. So stay tuned to see how we make it. To start off, I have some 5 days old sourdough bread that I baked, and I'm just going to slice 2 very generous slices of it and then halve the slices. And then I'm going to be beating 2 eggs in a bowl, add in half a cup of milk, whole milk here, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Keep beating. And now 1 tablespoon of honey. Now we take the bread to the bath. All right, it's spa time for our bread. Soak it in generously. There's a lot of dip, a lot to go around. You're gonna have some left over, but this just makes it easier to completely soak your bread. Here I have 1 tablespoon of butter in a nonstick pan. Once it's heating up and melted, drop in your bread. Don't overcrowd it. So for me, I'm just gonna do this in 2 batches. You wanna give it a few minutes, maybe 3 or 4, and flip once the other side is lightly brown, just like so. Leave it in the pan for about 3-4 minutes longer, and then you can take it out and work on your second batch. Okay, so right in front of me I have our French toast. It is a little on the runnier side, just the way that I like it. And I've garnished it with some raspberries and a little bit of powdered sugar at the very top. And I also have 2 other items in front of me. One is some home-brewed soy milk. I really love to have this for breakfast on the weekend when I can find the time. And then on the left, I have a little gift that my friend Michaela sent me, which is an old-fashioned apple butter from her home state, Alabama. And I did already have a little taste of this, and as soon as I did, I thought, French toast. I really want to try this on French toast. Very strong cinnamon flavor, and I think that will go very well with the French toast. You'll see I didn't actually add any cinnamon to my French toast, kind of for this reason. I've already got my dose of cinnamon right here. Okay, so good. This actually tastes kind of like an apple turnover. To me, I feel like the apple butter is very, very strong, so I probably didn't even need that much. But the bread is a perfect vehicle for it. I really like this. A bit tangy, a bit sweet. And the bread is nice and moist from the French toast dip, obviously. So for the French toast was a bit runnier than maybe usual. I think that actually goes well with sourdough bread because sourdough is less fluffy by itself. But I kind of feel like a genius right now. I feel like this apple butter goes really, really well with the French toast. It totally enhances it. It makes me feel like I'm having a gourmet breakfast. Let's have it with some soy milk here. I like this better than what you would get in the grocery stores. It is a lot more soy flavor and none of that additive stuff that thickens it or makes it sweet. So thanks everyone for watching. I will see you guys next time. I'm gonna get to my breakfast and also reward the guy who's been cooking today instead of me. It's his breakfast too. So see you guys next time.